I dey tell you.
Not at all some kind of that's this a German man.
Makachu guy. Guy, what happened to Mangi Igbo guy? Kefe me man, kebe Mangi Igbo guy.
Banana.
Guy, Mangi Igbo na.
Nonsense.
Guy, if that thing now with the answer Mangi Igbo is either Ofaneze or one other one like that, we definitely no be that Mangi Igbo, that rich Mangi Igbo. That rich mango Igbo where this, you get this juice where they like fake am.
Yeah.
It's that juice is not called mango, but that juice is mango flavor, thick mangi Igbo flavor. But I don't know waiting guy. Guy, I go do one kind thick first. Guy, mangi Igbo go. Guy, is this not proof of GMO attack on our local plants? Mangi Igbo na. Afunomia, atano mangi Igbo this year. Afunomia atan mango this year, but atano mangi Igbo this year. Kebe, what happened to mangi Igbo?